Hello everyone, this is Souvik and you are watching college level physics. Today we are going to write a Python program to add two matrices. Now for addition of two matrices, the rows and columns of them have to be equal. The ith and jth element of a matrix is added with the same ith and jth element of another to obtain the ith and jth element of the new matrix. So let's see how to do that program. Now we are defining three 3 by 3 matrices A, B and C. So let's define it first. So A equals to 1, 2, 3, then we're just typing it. Then we have to define C here. Now we are going to run a nested loop, that is a for loop inside a for loop to add the ith and jth element of each matrix element. So let's do it. Sorry, what is this? So for I in range length A, then for j in range length A not, then just type it. And what is this loop suggesting? That for I in range length of A, that means the whole element, that means it has three elements like 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9. So its length A would be 3. And then for j in range length A naught, that means the first element, which length of the first element is also 3. That means 1, 2, 3, 3 elements. So the length of A naught would be 3. And here I is the row and j is the column. So Cij would be the matrix elements of the new additive matrix of A plus B. So for example, for I in range 3, it will be 3. So I in range 3 means it will take the value 0, 1 and 2, and then it will come in the j range and it will also be 3. So j will take the value 0, 1 and 2. So for I in range 0, and then it will come for j range and then it will take the value 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1 and 2, sorry, again it is coming. So C, it will first take C00 equal to A00 plus B00. Then it will again take I0, I value 0, then J would be 1. So C01, A01 plus B01 element. That means, and next it will take C02, A02 plus B02 with element. In that way, the loop will run, and let's see what the output will be. So just take the print of the new matrix C. So print matrix C, and we have to save that and run that program. Yeah, that is the output. As you can see, why is it coming? I don't know. So the C matrix will be just 1 plus 9, and then 2 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7, and then 4 plus 6, 5 plus 6, and so on. And this will give this matrix C equal to 10, 10, 10, every element 10. That way I wrote this program. So in this way you can add two matrices, and we can also add using the NumPy array module. We will be discussing it in our later videos. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.